If you ever walk up to a pull bar about to do some big pull-ups, but you don't have anywhere to put your phone and you don't have pockets. Now, if you're at home, you could just search up barbell holder or a hook and you can buy one. But the problem with that is they go for like $60 to $30. So instead, I did something much more smarter. I have some at home, so I took them off. As you can see here, I took them off very well. Totally didn't struggle with it. I took them off and I decided to measure them and make my own free printing. Here you can see kind of what it looks like. It's pretty simple design. You can very easily make one if you have a 3D printer. So the way we're going to actually design this product is by pretty much just 3 inches and the diameter is like 1.6 centimeters or something like that. So the way we're going to do it is we're going to go on 3D making software. We're going to pretty much build a box that is 3x3, X height or something, any height doesn't matter, and dig a tiny little hole, 1.6 diameters, and we're going to build around it. So we kind of we could just build around this and see what's up, and yeah. So here's kind of what we have. It's basically the same design. I added a tiny little hook, but mainly I just kind of did it as a phone holder, and you can see around it's pretty much the same thing, same design, same everything, but it's a little bit better done. Right here you can see how it looks like on the 3D printer, how it's going to print. It's not going to be gray, it's going to be red. You can see there are some supports that I'm going to see how it turns out. Alright, here's how it turned out. It looks good, I'm very proud of it. There are some mistakes I can already see, but we'll see. Okay, so here's what we got. It's technically everything we needed. I'm just going to clean all this up and we're going to go test it. Okay, so we pretty much got everything. This is about as smooth as we could get it. Right here, everything's also kind of smooth. This part is pissing me off a little bit. Right here also kind of got welded poorly. I think I'll just sand it off and then see how that goes. Okay, so we have it here. It finally, is ready. Let's see how it looks. Let's see it, wait. There we go. No wobble, wait. Hold on. That's perfect. Wait. Okay, so it doesn't wobble. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's beautiful. It's absolute cinema. It works! It's beautiful. Oh my god. In case you're wondering, we did also add a little hook here in case, you wanted to add this here on the side or, anything else really. You can also put scissors. Also, one more thing you can place on this tiny hook is the entirety of your base. I kid you not. You can put the entirety of your base on this tiny little hook and it works perfectly. Now let's see if it actually is effective to our initial problem. We put down our phone, we crank out as many pull-ups as we want, and then we very easily pick our phones back up. We don't have to throw it down or anything. Easy as that. I go over, put my phone down, crank out pull-ups, easy, done. So what did we learn from this whole experience? If you are bothered by a slight decline in elevation to put your phone down on the ground and not at your height, you could very easily buy a $500 3D printer, buy $30 worth of filament. It doesn't require that much, but it doesn't come in smaller packs. And then you can spend 2 hours designing and editing a barbell hook for your phone so that you are no longer bothered by the inconvenience of bending down to put down your phone. Or you could buy a barbell hook for $30, which would probably be more effective. But this way you get more experience, you get more... What do you get? I don't think I got anything really helpful from this, except for, well, I have too much time on my hands. I'm just going to blame it on that.